I'm going to show you how to be able to set up your WhatsApp to be in the business format, so you can be able to list the products you have, sell to them. And let's say if you don't have also a greeting message, you can be able to set that up and the rest of them. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. But first of all, what you need in order to see that you have a WhatsApp business account is you need this app, which is WhatsApp Business. Now this app is owned by WhatsApp itself, but this is just specifically for doing your business on WhatsApp. So what you just need to do is to go to your Play Store and download this app. So when you install this app, you just have to open it and follow me step by step as I'll show you how you can be able to set up most of the settings that are required, so that it will be like your WhatsApp business account will be very much set up, so you can be able to sell through your WhatsApp business account. So to do that, first of all, let's open this WhatsApp here. So open our WhatsApp business account. So once we open the business account, what you have to do is to go and click on the three dots you're going to see here. So click on these three dots here, click on that to show you how you'll be able to do that. So once you click on this icon and you get to this page, just click on settings. So once you click on settings, now I'll be able to show you how you'll be able to set up your business profile and the rest of them. So as you can see here, we have business tools. So if you click on these business tools, you'll be able to get to your profile, catalog and messaging tools. So once you click on these business tools here, and you'll be able to set up your business profile by clicking on the business profile tab here. Now first thing you have to do is to input your name, your business name. So once you click on this entire business name, you just have to input your business name. So in my own case, I have to input Mate Victor. That's to be my business name. So once you're through with that, you just click on OK and scroll down. So if you click on the next one here, you see the categories. This will be able to choose the categories that you want to sell on. So in my own case, I have to choose the categories that I want to sell on. So if you want to choose any other category, you can go ahead and choose the categories. But as you can see, three categories is mostly recommended. So I can say, okay, let me remove this one and I can choose this one, and as you can see, it has been shown here. So once you are through with that, just click on save and it will save the changes. So if you go down here, you can equally now give description of what your business is all about. So you just have to write up to 500 words of what your business is all about. And once you're through writing up that script or putting up the script of what your business is all about, just click on save. And once you're through click on save, then you have to go down and to where we have business address. Now this business address is most especially if you have a physical business address. What do I mean by that? If you have a physical shop where people come in and shop for a product or service, and that's what you can equally set up here, so that people that are on your WhatsApp list or your WhatsApp contact list to be able to see, okay, if they should go to this address, they'll be able to locate you. You understand? So once you're through with that, just click on save. So if you don't want to set that up, you can just leave that as default like that. So if you want to now add the days that you'll be able to the days and hours of your business, so you just have to click on that schedule days and time. So once you click on that, if I want to add Sundays, I can just toggle on the Sunday icon here and I'll add the hours. Let's say I want to open by 6 on Sunday, 8 o'clock a.m. okay, and I can click on OK. If I want to close on by 6, I can say okay, let's say 5, and I'll say 5 p.m. So you can equally interchange between a.m. or p.m. here by clicking on each of them. So once you're through with that, you can just click OK. So in my own case, I won't be available on Sunday, so I'll just have to toggle it off, and this is how you can be able to set up the area of time, schedules and the rest of them. So once you're through doing that, you just have to go down and input your email. Now this is the area you can be able to input the email address of your business. So the email address you're using to do your business, this is where you can be able to input it, and once you're through inputting the email address, you just have to click on save. So let me go ahead and do that quickly, and we'll go over to the next one. So next thing you have to do is to input your website. Now this is the area you can be able to input the website that you have. This if you have a website already, but if you don't have a website, you can equally go on to where you display your products. Any link that any link of the place you display your product. What do I mean by that? Like for your Facebook page, your Instagram or the rest of them. So you can just copy that link and input it here. That can be, or that can serve as your website. So once you're through doing that, you just click on save. So and you have maximum of inputting, or you can equally input 2 websites if you have, and once you're through with that, just click on save. Now the products tab is where you'll be able to see the products that you manage, but I'm going to show you how to be able to add these products you're seeing here and everything. I'm going to show you how to do that. So for this video, let's just keep this area for now, and let's go ahead and set up the about section here. So if I click this about section, this is where I'll be able to set up the message I want people to see on my timeline, what they once they display my my profile. So this is what I want to show them as my about, that they should kindly leave a message and the rest of it. So once I'm through that, with that, I can just navigate back. Now if you want to add or change the logo, or you want to add the logo of your business, just have to click on this little icon we have here, and you can choose between taking a new photo, or choosing from your gallery. So once you're through choosing from your gallery, you just have to save that and come down here. Now if you want to add products, this is the main area where you want to set up your business profile. If you want to add products, you just have to click on this catalog area. Once you click on that catalog area, you record that this is the image of the business profile we've set up, this is the name I've inputted, and this is the description I already gave to the my business profile. Now this is where you can be able to add the products you have. So once you click on this add new item, you just have to input the name of the product you want to sell. So then in my case, let me just input the name of this product to this, and let me input the price, and I can go ahead and write the description of the product. I can say this is a skincare product. So that's that for this particular product. So I can go on to include more fields. Now let's say I have the link, or a particular link that the person can click on and get to this product, let's say on my website or any other website. Now if you're doing affiliate marketing business, you can equally copy that affiliate link of this particular product and come here to this link area and input it. So if you input the link here, so the person can be able to reach this product directly by clicking on this link. So this means that this is also available, or this is one of the best ways you can use to direct or your contact list to your affiliate product. That's if you are an affiliate marketer, you can use this way to be able to drive traffic to and make sales when the person purchases that particular product from the rightful owner, or from the platform that you're an affiliate to, you earn a commission. So you can equally do that, or using your WhatsApp business. So what you just have to do here also is to add your images, add the product images here by choosing from your gallery. So once you're through with that, you just have to click on save. So once you click on save, the product will be saved. Now this add new collection, let me explain the collection for you. This collection is just like a group. For instance, let's say the fashion niche. If I'm in a fashion niche, and you know that under fashion we have men's shoes, men clothes, and women's shoes, women clothes, and the rest of them. So in this fashion collection niche, this is the area you can be able to select or group your items. For instance, if I choose fashion and click on next, now it asks me to add items. So you have to take note of the fact that before you be able to create a collection, you have to first of all add the items, like you have to list the products. So once you list the products, once you're through listing the products, the next thing you have to do is once you're through listing the products, you now have to add them. Like for instance, you now add them based on the categories, like based on the collections you want them to be in. For instance, if you have men's shoes, you can then say, okay, under this fashion I have men's shoes, and I don't know if you understand that. Or let's say, sorry, under men's shoes, you now add the items of men's shoes, like black men's shoes, white men's shoes, and the rest of them, brown men's shoes, and the rest of them. So you can add another collection. So this is what the collection tab is all about. So you just have to take note of the fact that you need to add items, your products, so you'll be able to now add a new collection. So once you're actually doing that, you just have to make sure you save your settings once you're actually doing any of these settings I'm showing you here. So now if you go, then we have advertise on Facebook. Now if you want to create ad on Facebook that leads to WhatsApp, you can do that and create ad on Facebook and that will lead to WhatsApp. Or you can equally click on this button here and you get started, and click on the get started. It will take you to Facebook, and when you now run the ad from Facebook, it will now get to the people that will want to shop, or potential customers will now be able to reach you to your WhatsApp business account. So you also, if you want to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page or your Instagram page, you can equally do that. Even your profile as well, you can equally add your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook page or your WhatsApp or your Instagram profile. So to do that, just have to click on this plus icon there and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will take you to your Facebook page and you'll be able to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So but in my case, I will not be doing that here. So because I don't really want people to come from my Facebook page to my WhatsApp page, I just want my WhatsApp to be mainly for my contact list, so they'll be seeing what I do there. So you can equally add a short link here. Now this is where you can copy the short link of your business and and use it, share it to people, and you can equally toggle this message on. If you toggle, now what this thing will do is, if you toggle this message up, when you copy this link and paste it anywhere, once the person click on it, it will tell the person, this is the default message, tell the person, hello, I'm interested in one of your product. Or you can equally input any other thing. You can just equally copy what they said here and input it as yours. So this way you can be able to do. So when the person click on this link, the person will be able to see this message automatically that he or she is interested in your product. So this is a short link you can equally use. Now after you must have done that, let's say you now want to set up an area whereby if you are not online, people can equally get message from you. So to do that, what you just have to do is, this area will have the messaging, this messaging tab here. So you just have to click on the greeting message. Now this greeting message is a message it will send to the person. Now in it, mostly when you sign up to WhatsApp business newly, you have this thing to be toggled off. So I'm the one that toggled it on. So you just have to toggle yours on also, and customize the greeting message to fit what you want. Now in my own case, or in this video, you are going to see this is just a default. The message you're seeing here is just a default one that WhatsApp had to put here, which is, thank you for contacting us, please let us know how we can help you. So you can equally customize this to fit what you want or how you have it in mind. So this is one of the things you can do here, so that when somebody send a message to you, when a new customer sends a message to you, once you are active, let's say you are not active on your WhatsApp business, but let's say you are active on online, you are online but you're not active on your WhatsApp business, automatically this message will be sent to the person to tell the person, okay, thank you for contacting us, let us know how we can help you. And it will look like as if you are active on that WhatsApp at the moment. So the person will be able to tell you most of the things he or she wants you to do for him or her. Now if you can equally customize it for recipients. For instance, what do I mean by that? If I click on this recipients, it's by default it will be on everyone. Now if you don't want it to be for everyone, reason being that maybe you don't want your contact list to keep getting this kind of message, people that you chat with most of the time, let's say people that are already your customers. So what you have to do is to tag this in as everyone not in address book. What this means is that anyone who is not in your contact list will not be able to receive this message. But if the person is in your contact list, the person will not receive this message. So once you're through with that, just click on save. Now if you are away, let's say I'm away and I'm not online at all, so I just have to toggle this thing on here and tell the person, thank you for your message, you are not available right now. Now this is because you are not active online, so this message will be sent to the person, and you can equally schedule when it is sent to the person. Is it after the business hours or always sent? Now the default thing you have to select is always send, so that when you are not online or when you are not active on the internet, when someone sends you a message, this message will be sent to the person right away, and the person will be able to read it and understand, okay, this is what this person is telling me to do, that I should wait, that he or she is not active by now, and I should wait, and he will respond to me as soon as possible. So this is how you can be able to do that also. Now for the quick replies, let's say you want to quick reply people who are already message, or who the customers you already chat with. So you can just click on, when you just type in a short note of thanks, this can just come up and you just click on it and send it to the person. So you can equally add more, like shortcut. If you, let's say, okay, you're welcome, if I say for instance you're welcome, I can set up you're welcome to be something, let me say, okay, let's say just say welcome. So if I just input the shortcut of welcome for my typing, in my typing keyboard. So it just show up a message like this: thanks for your swift response. We we expect to get a feedback from you. So once you just type welcome, this message just have to pop up, and you send it to the person. This is how you can be able to add a quick reply also. So once I save it, as you can see, it has been saved. Now next one you have is the label. So now you have to organize your customers. Now if your customers are broad, so let's say you now have people that shop from you. Let's say you have new customers, you can label them like by giving them all these tags of yellow. You can add each of them, you can add a new customer, or you can add something new. Now this okay, no results found for new customer. This is because we don't have any customer yet. I could have shown you how you can be able to do that. So these are the ways you can be able to set up your WhatsApp business account. You can use, so you can be able to list your products, especially from this WhatsApp or WhatsApp catalog area. You can add a new item, add a new collection as well, so you'll be able to sell your products to people. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to market your businesses, and as well be able to do most things on the internet. So just subscribe to this channel and make sure you follow up, and I'll show you how to be able to scale up your business. See you in the next video.